Number 1. The placebo effect. Imagine suffering from a severe headache. Then a doctor at the hospital offers you a new miracle pill, claiming it's 100% guaranteed to work due to its accreditation. Immediately after taking it, the pain disappears in less than an hour. The surprise comes later when you learn that this effective pill was nothing more than a sugar pill. This is the placebo effect. It's not just an illusion. Your belief in healing triggers real, traceable physical changes within the body. Examinations show that the mind secretes its own natural painkillers, as if it were an internal pharmacy. Tangible effects have been observed, such as a drop in blood pressure and the disappearance of certain skin diseases. Furthermore, some research suggests that sham surgical procedures, where a superficial incision is made and then closed, may achieve the same results as the actual surgery. The perplexing and surprising thing is that we have no way to control this phenomenon, yet we are certain of its effectiveness. All we can conclude is that the human mind operates with strange mysteries and is the most powerful source of medicine in existence. Number 2. Einstein's spooky connection. Imagine a symbolic scenario where you and a friend who has traveled a vast distance exchange two entangled coins. The moment you reveal your coin and find it to be heads, your friend's coin state is instantly determined to be tails, regardless of the enormous spatial separation between you. This is the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where the fates of two particles become intertwined. The properties of these two particles remain undetermined until the system of one collapses upon measurement, instantly forcing the other particle to adopt the opposite state. This instantaneous transfer of information appears to transcend the known limit of the speed of light, which deeply troubled Einstein, who dismissively termed it as spooky action at a distance. Despite our modern scientific achievements, we are still in the early stages of decoding this profound mystery. This phenomenon suggests that our fundamental concepts of reality are more deeply and subtly interconnected than we had ever imagined. Number 3. The cosmic ghost. With over 200 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and more than 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, probabilistic calculations suggest that space should be abuzz with signals indicative of advanced civilizations and extraterrestrial life. Yet, the physicist Enrico Fermi simply asked, "Where is everybody?" This stark contradiction is known as the Fermi paradox, a daunting scientific challenge, as the mathematics of probability strongly supports the existence of alien life. To account for this cosmic silence, a wild hypothesis called the Great Filter emerged. This theory posits that some force, perhaps a cosmic predator or a catastrophic destroyer, wipes out every advanced civilization before it can achieve interstellar travel. The silence that envelops the cosmos may be humanity's most terrifying warning. Number 4. The Eridanus Supervoid's emptiness. Scientists have discovered an unprecedentedly vast void in the constellation Eridanus, spanning an estimated 1.8 billion light-years across. Its immensity is so staggering that it could contain nearly 10,000 Milky Way galaxies. But what is most puzzling is its near-complete absence of matter, as if a section of the universe has been suddenly erased. This void is known as the cold spot because it appears as a region significantly colder than expected when examining the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Some researchers hypothesize that this void is draining energy from passing light, weakening its particles as though they were falling into a cosmic pit and emerging feebler. It is a genuine enigma, a bodiless shadow representing a colossal mass of nothingness that defies our known rules about the universe, and its cause and effect remain a subject of intense debate. Number 5. Earthquakes' eerie lights. Imagine yourself standing under a quiet night sky. Then suddenly, the darkness is ripped apart by a bizarre and spectacular light show. Glowing orbs begin to hover in the air, and massive sheets of light move like phantom curtains across the heavens. Moments after this cosmic display, the ground begins to shake. These luminous phenomena are not from space. They are earthquake lights, EQL. For centuries, people have witnessed these eerie light shows before earthquakes, and modern cameras have indeed documented them. Some lights appear as floating fireballs, while others take the form of massive lightning flashes. They can appear hundreds of kilometers from the actual epicenter. Scientists believe the phenomenon may be linked to the enormous stress being placed on underground rocks. As this pressure builds up, the rocks are thought to act as giant natural batteries, releasing powerful electrical charges into the atmosphere. Think of how a piece of quartz generates a small electric charge when crushed, and then multiply that effect across millions of tons of rock. But until their precise cause is uncovered, earthquake lights will remain one of our planet's most terrifying mysteries. Number 6. Skyquakes' Thunderous Secret. Imagine the scene: a perfectly sunny and tranquil day. Suddenly, a tremendous boom shakes the entire area. The truly strange thing, however, is that there is no clear source for the blast. These aren't just regular thunderclaps, they sound like a massive cannon shell firing directly overhead. This booming phenomenon has been occurring all over the world for centuries. Its history dates back to the journals of 19th-century explorers like Lewis and Clark, who recorded hearing these strange explosions. Scientists have tried to explain it with multiple theories, from meteorite fragments entering the atmosphere unseen to deep-sea gas explosions, and even the sound amplification resulting from the collapse of underground caves. But so far, no single explanation covers all aspects of the phenomenon. These sounds are so powerful they can rattle buildings and cause windows and furniture to shake. Their names vary depending on the location. In Italy, they are known as bruntidi, and in Bangladesh as barisal guns. Most alarmingly is the ability of these sounds to travel vast distances, sometimes being heard hundreds of miles from their presumed point of origin. Despite all our technological capabilities in tracking weather and predicting earthquakes, the puzzle still remains. Why does the sky sometimes emit this horrifying sound like a giant bell? If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.